Hi everyone. I've got to run this past Andrew at HAYA first, but I thought I'd put this video up of their new Centurion model, and it looks exquisite. He's put a lot of time into this, and it's been a while coming, but I think the wait will be more than worthwhile. There are so many different variants that you can find out from Andrew. I think he's even doing an Israeli IDF one, a shot cowl. There's a 105mm gun, and the 80-pounder gun. There's the 80-pounder B barrel. Here you can see the actual working gun lock. The commander's cupola rotates, which is fabulous. Here's the B barrel with the fins, and all the barrels are metal. Here's some of the test shots where it's been made up properly, and I think it looks gorgeous. Honestly, I mean, from a little maker in England, Wales I should say, must offend the Welsh, it's fabulous. Personally, I think in some respects it's better than the Tamiya, because it all comes done. You turn it on, you stick a battery in, and you drive it around. You don't have to build it. And if you haven't got much time, that's quite a good option. Here's the searchlight for Vietnam version. Here's the headlights. I think he's going to put warm lights in, because you've got to remember this is still test shots from the version that he's got. And this is all metal road wheels with rubbers. I'm thinking they might fit the Chieftain as well, which I hope so. Here's it bare without paint, so you can see all the metal. There's bearings in the drive sprockets, which is fabulous. I mean, for a tank, comes with it. Here's a bit more of the test shots that's on his website on Facebook, and you can see the detail's extremely good. When I get a Hang Long tank, all I do is rip it apart and then fix stuff, change it, dimensions, everything. But Andrew's taken the time, and this is pretty spot on. If you can see, these are the metal moulds, and they will look very crisp. Very nice right angles where they need to be. But I wouldn't like to be wearing sandals around them. I hope he's still got his feet left. But it's all very good. You can see the side skirts. And the side skirts are removable as well, which is excellent. And I spend most of my time putting side skirts on tanks. I don't need to with this. It's done. This is the top deck. And the amazing thing coming up soon is it's got a proper radio. It's a Clark board with a Clark radio. They're also going to do this in Challenger 2 sounds and the Chieftain sounds, so I'm going to have to do it. Thanks again, HAYA, for this. As a modeler, I can't thank you enough, and I'm really looking forward to pre-order this. As soon as I get one, I'll do a review on my YouTube channel, and I am so looking forward to this. Thanks, Andrew, again for all your hard work. Have a nice weekend, everyone.